Anthropic entire source code for the Claude Code just got leaked. Developers on GitHub immediately grabbed it, reverse engineering it, and built OpenClaude, an open source replica that completely reversed the Anthropic API restrictions. What does that mean for you? It means you can now run the world's most powerful coding agent using any model you want, like Gemini Flash, DeepSeek, or even Ollama model for free on your PC. So without any delay, let's get started. First, we need two things, Node.js and Bun. Go to nodejs.org, grab the latest version for your OS. I'm copying for Mac. Then copy the install command and paste it right into your VS Code or your terminal. In few seconds, it will install completely. If you got any error, just let me know in the comment section. Now it's time to add the bun. For that, go to bun.assets, copy the install command and paste in the same terminal. Now look at this, it started installing and now it's finished. So now we have two things like Node.js and bun. So our setup is complete. Now let's go for the downloading part. So what I will do is I will provide the link in the description of that GitHub link. Okay, here you can come here to the repo part. Now click here and download this zip file. You can also just copy the link here and paste it in your terminal with the git clone and it will install. So after installing, here we have the file of OpenClaude. Now what we'll do is open the Claude Code file in VS Code. Now here we have to install all the packages. Okay, for that, what you have to do is go to terminal and write npm install. It will install all the packages that needs. Okay, now after installing, next is npm run build. What it will do is it will build the OpenClaude. Okay, after building, we will just link it. So type npm link. And once that finished, the core setup is done. You now have a custom, unrestricted version of Claude Code living on your machine. Now here comes the last phase. So in this, we will just connect a model with the Claude Code and check if this works or not. So for that, I will go with OpenRouter and we can use Grok as well. Okay, so come here and click on the OpenRouter. Go to OpenRouter, create a API key. Now I will provide these all in descriptions. What you have to do is replace with your key, okay, and then copy it and paste it in your terminal where you want to test it out. So now, as you can see, when I just type OpenClaude, it will fetch everything. And as you can see, it's showing the data as well, like what model I'm using. So now let's test it. So what I will do is create a HTML file with a navbar and a hero section. That's all what I want. So now enter and it will take a little bit time. So just wait here. And look at this, finally it created the file. So now it's asking to create a index.html file and paste the code. So I will say yes and hit enter. Now look at this, it created index.html file. Now let's open it in our live server. And look at this, guys. This is the website created. And from my side, it looks good because you can see I just put a simple thing like HTML file with a hero and a navbar, and it created. Now let's see in responsiveness how it looks. So as you can see in mobile version, it looks good. Okay, and if I just increase the size, it'll better. But you can see it's not completely responsive because you can see there is no hamburger menu, and also you can see. So yeah, means for test purpose you can use this tool, and but I would not suggest to use in production because for a production ready websites we need more and more latest things. Okay, so you can go with other tools. Okay, I will suggest to go for Lovable. Here you will get free AI credits, about 5 credits. Okay, so you can go and check it out. But if you share the Lovable, you'll get 100 credits. So you understand how good. Yeah, I tried it and it's crazy, guys. So I hope you'll now get like how this works and everything. But if you want to try it, go and check it out. I'll also provide all the things in the description. So make sure to like this video, check out the description and subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. So see you in the next video. Happy coding.